Ravendg here. Welcome back to another video. And for today's video, guys, this video is a bit different because I will be looking for a Starbucks store wherein I can claim my Starbucks planner. Okay, so paano ba or how can you get your own free Starbucks planner? We're not just talking about a 2021 Starbucks planner, okay? So this is every year. You can get or you can avail, you can claim your free Starbucks planner, but you have to complete 18 stickers. So this is how it looks like. So yeah, there you go. I was able to complete, actually, it's not me. Okay, it's not me, it's my friend. So thanks to my friend, my good friend, my sister, Joanna Lynn Conlu from Bataan. You always see her in my Instagram stories. So she completed this. Actually, I bought only probably 5 coffees from Starbucks, and then all of it, she completed everything. So this is technically a gift from her. But apparently, the last time that I went to Starbucks with my friends Diane, Jhey, and Jeff, I wasn't able to claim the planner only because there's no available planner in that particular store in Quezon City, Mindanao Ave, ganon. So today my agenda is I'm going to roam around Ortigas Avenue and look for a store. I'm gonna find a Starbucks store where I can claim the planner. The one that I want is the color black planner with pouch in it. It's really cute, and I love the pouch because it's, you know, you can just bring that pouch anywhere you go, and then even if you don't have the planner, you can actually put your phone. Because I already saw it, my friend Ate Joanne, she already have her own planner because she completed it probably around like after a month only. Because this one, guys, it always started around November and up until January 4, but today is already 16th of January. It's a bit late, I know, for you to get your own planner or to plan for the whole year, but I want to get it. So let's pray that I'll be able to get the planner today. Okay, that's my agenda. There are like 8 stores around Ortigas. I already, imagined where I'm gonna go first, which store I'm gonna visit first. This includes, actually this is not Ortigas anymore. There's also one in Mega Mall. Mega Mall is already part of Mandaluyong, and there's also one in Robinson's Galleria, and Robinson's Galleria is already part of Quezon City. But yeah, we'll see. Let's check. Let's go. And pray for me that I will be able to claim my planner today. Let's go, guys. Come with me. I'm gonna use my iPhone only because my camera is so bulky. My camera is so bulky, so I'm just ingay naman. I'm already in the jeepney right now, and then after this, abound tayo ng FX, and then sakit tayo pupunta Ortigas. I'll see you there. So I'm already here in FX, guys. Mahina lang tayo. Tapos yung first stop natin, yung unang Starbucks sa Ortigas. I'll see you there. We are going there for our first Starbucks store. Let's go! So the first store is here near One Corporate Center in Ortigas. So there you go, guys. Our first stop. Let's see if it's open or what. Oh my gosh, it's closed. Guys, our first store is closed. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Now, okay, so our first store is closed. I'm not sure if what I am going to do, but there's a store here just nearby. So let's go there. I think it's here. Or unahin ko yung doon. Hindi ko sure eh. Let's go. Oh my gosh guys. First store pa lang. Failed na tayo. Kita nyo ba yan? So I'm gonna go there and then tatawitan tayo doon. May Starbucks store doon. Yes, Mayor Vico. Escalator is not working po. Char. Okay guys, second Starbucks there. And di na ako tatawid kasi I can see it here that it's closed. Oh my gosh. This is the Ortigas, guys. Ang nakakalungkot. Dito kami lagi kasi dyan na yung office namin, pero since all of us are like working from home, so I miss this place. So we already went to 2 Starbucks store and pareha silang close. Hindi ko sure kung ano ba yan. Hindi ko sure kung anong store na ngayon yung bukas. So I think I'm going to check first the third store here in Ortigas. Let's go. Nakakapagod. So guys, the third Starbucks. This is a Starbucks Reserve. It's open. So we are going to check if I'm gonna. Hindi ko nakapapasok sa loob. Unfortunately, we weren't able to claim Starbucks planner sa store na yon kasi kahapon daw nagkaubusan na. So we'll check here kasi na-adjust ni Kuya kung meron. Let's go. May tinuturo niya sa may Chowking. Halera ng Chowking, but I'm not sure. Parang hindi ko siya ma-recall kung saan banda. But we'll see, okay? I'm not sure if there's available planner here, but we'll check. Guys, 4th store na tayo. So guys, I went to the 4th Starbucks store. But unfortunately, hindi ko pa rin na-claim yung Starbucks planner. So there is available yellow color, but I don't want the color one, the color yellow. So, and I was advised that there will be available Starbucks planner again February 28, so you can claim it. But ito yung tricky. Sobrang di ako na-inform or hindi ko talaga alam na you can actually claim the Starbucks planner up until March. Tapos yung pag-collect ng stickers up until February 28 lang. So, ako naman, sobrang madaling-madali ako, di ba, para ma-claim ko siya kasi I thought hanggang February 28 lang pwedeng i-claim yung yung planner. Hindi naman pala. So, yun. Until March, you can claim your Starbucks planner. Ang weird lang, nakakatawa. Pero, try pa rin natin. I'll go to Starbucks Mega Mall. And then, yun, tingnan natin kung meron. Pag wala, hindi ko na alam. Kung meron ata sa Shangri-La, tapos sa Greenfield, puntahan ko na rin. Inform ko lang din kayo na mostly yung ibang stores pala, they are closed kapag weekend. So, bakit ganun? Ba't Nasaan na ako? We're now here in the 5th Starbucks store, but I think it's closed as well. So mostly nga weekend close sila. Close, no? It's closed, guys. Yes. Okay, so I'm on my way to Podium Starbucks and I'm gonna check if they're open. Pang 6th store na yun, guys. So tapos na tayo sa Podium. Pero wala pa din. Kaya punta na tayo ngayon ng Mega Mall. Sabi ni Kuya, every Monday daw nag-restock ng planner. Pero hindi daw sure kung may dumarating. Kaya ayun. Bigo na naman tayo sa ating 5th store. But tingnan natin dito sa Mega Mall. Pero hindi ko alam for sure wala na rin siguro dito. Kasi nga, diba sa mall kasi mas maraming tao. So I'm not sure if you can really claim it here sa may Mega Mall. Baka wala din talaga. Pero try natin. So tingnan natin kung may available. Okay, so bigo na naman tayo. In-expect ko na siya. Punta tayo sa last na Starbucks dito sa may Mega Mall. Actually, may Starbucks? Hindi, yun na pala yun. So sa may taas may Starbucks pa doon. Pero hindi na ako maasa. Check na lang natin. Let's go. Okay, so our 7th store is here in 4th floor of SM Mega Mall. And I'm pretty sure wala na rin, pero let's try our luck. We're here. So guys, nandito na ako sa pang-8 Starbucks sa may Pasig. So hindi ko sure kung ayun siya, kung available dito. Sa dami ko nang hinanapan, diba? We'll check. Sa ibang store kasi Monday doon nag-deliver. Ngayon tignan natin kung may available dito. Oh my god guys, so available nga dito ang planner! Gusto ko makita ko yung ngiti ko. Sobra, imagine nyo na lang, nakangiti ako. So happy. So wait na lang natin, lagay ko na yung thank you! Ito na siya! Oh my god, at last, after ilang araw ng paghahanap natin guys, this is it! This is it! Yay! Got it! So happy! Hindi ko alam pang ilang store ko na to, pero I'm so happy kasi naklaim na natin siya. Unbox natin mamaya pag-uwi. Okay, so hello guys! So as promised, nandito na ako sa bahay and I'm going to unbox the planner! Wait lang. So I got the planner already. There you go, at last I have it and I was able to claim it after 8 or 9th store, Starbucks store. And you know what? Ang nakakatawa dito, yung pinakamalapit sa akin na Starbucks, doon ako nakapag-claim. Pero okay lang naman kasi nga, kakadating lang naman ito kahapon. So, kung nagpunta ako dito sa Starbucks na malapit sa akin nung Sabado, wala rin naman. So, ayun. Let's unbox it, guys. I'm so happy. Kasi nga, diba, kita nyo naman yung adventure ko. Pagod na pagod ako. Tapos sabi nung ate, sure na po ba kayo sa black? Sabi ko, ate, pang-sham ko na tong Starbucks. Pag ako talaga hindi pa na sure dito, sabi niya, kasi po pag na-punch na po, hindi na po pwedeng magbago ng isip. Sabi ko, sure po ako sa black kasi yan po talaga yung hinanap ko. Ulit-ulit kang sabihin, thank you kay Ate Joanne sa kanyang pag-help sa akin sa stickers. Ayun. Naku, ayaw pa ata magpasira. Wait lang. Pang-unbox tayo dito. There you go. Okay. Nakaka-excited! I-feel niyo ba yung excitement ko? So this is 2021 Starbucks planner. Kala mo naman talaga may plano sa buhay. Char! So yun, black na siya! Black siya, guys! Alam niyo ba kung bakit ko gusto to? Kasi nga, yung organizer niya, yung parang pouch, ang cute! So, yan na siya. Love it! So at last, ang ganda! So, yun guys. Ang cute. Ngayon dito, meron tayong lagayan yan. Parang wallet na rin kasi siya, diba? Ang ganda. Sana lang matibay yung leather niya. Pero mahal din siya kasi guys eh. Imaginein mo. Tapos may hawakan siya dito. Cute, very convenient. Tapos ito na yung sa may ito na siya. Okay, dito may lagayan tayo ng cards. So, yun, feeling ko gagamitin ko na siya. Kasi nahihirapan ako pag yung sa mga cards ko. Feeling ko ito na yung Saan ako nakatingin? Feeling ko ito na yung gagamitin ko. Ayan na, may lagayan siya ng mga cards and everything. And then this is the planner. Ang cute lang ng planner niya. Sobrang cute lang niya. Hindi siya katulad nung last year. Kasi yung last year, ano eh. Let's open the planner. Ayan, ganyan lang yung planner niya guys. Sobrang cute, sobrang handy. And of course, meron tayong mga stickers. Starbucks, stickers siya. Stickers siya. Ayan. Sobrang cute, diba? Okay. Now, we're going to... Of course, kailangan meron tayong it's undated ba tawag dyan? Undated. Basta yun, wala na siyang date, kaya kahit kailan nyo siya gamitin, you wanna use it next year, kung wala ka pang plano ngayon, you can use it anytime. I love it! Thank you so much! So, gagawin ko, sa kabila ko ilalagay yung mismong planner, and then lagi akong gadala ng ballpen. Tingnan natin kung kasya siya. Ayun, kasya siya. Kasya siya. And then yung phone, gamit ko pala yung phone ko. Yun, feeling ko kasya naman yung phone. Try natin sama kayo sa loob ng Kasyang kasya. Oh, diba? Kita nyo. Kasyang kasya, promise. So yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. And sana makakuha rin kayo. Kasi you can still complete your stickers until January 25. Ano pa lang naman ngayon, 20th pa lang, meron pa kayong 5 days. Charot, lumaklak kayo ng kape. And yung pagka-claim nitong Starbucks planner or Starbucks organizer up until March or April, March, basta matagal pa. So you can still do it. Pero yung pagko-collect ng stickers, yun nga lang up until 25th of January lang. So yun lang, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating journey. Pagpapagod natin sa pagkuha at pag-claim ng Starbucks. Thank you so much again for watching. And thank you Ate Joanne. Thank you so much for my Starbucks planner. Parang gift niya na to sa akin eh. Yun lang. Again guys, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me to all my social media accounts. And as I always say, don't just dream, make it happen. See you on my next video. Bye!